mocho Nairobi niko litukulia lero omuwaziri chindemero omusubati alsi wa omeng'ang'a aboyo mobo ase bali banyako bagwikirana ime senate elipanyako bakwiraniria amabori ao igati amabori ali banyako bakuboligwa ng'amo na kobwa mono ase oboererani bwe chindemero go succession ase egekore kyanyako bagose bikore banyako bikonekwa kwa mono asorongo rwagusi ase abantu abange banyako bakunereriwa wethira ase bukurumi bokwanekwa amona bakori mirimo ba serikali liboli elyo nigoli nyaka bali kuboligwa amono mo senator obene kurose county ya Kisii omosike Esther Okenyuri anyene.
Question is regard to the land title deed tussle in the larger Kisii region. Cabinet Secretary, we've been most families have been in the corridors of justice as a result of succession issues regarding at times rogue ministry officials who are forging some of these documents. What plan does the ministry have to address this issue?
Regarding cases of succession being mishandled, and she's wondering what I would maybe help in that regard, how I would help in that regard. But I think as a senator and as leadership, it is important to continuously say and tell our people that they must deal with the officers from the ministry. And every registry has a registrar. And where the problems arise is sometimes they deal with people outside or within hangars, people who are brokers on the outside, and they think they are land officers. So I want to say that the Kenyan people must start working with government officers directly, so that if you have a complaint, if your money is lost, if you have been conned, you are able to say it is officer so and so. And this is the message I would like as the cabinet secretary, because this is a common feature in terms of people being conned by people hanging around. If you come to Athi House, we have eliminated people who used to make people suffer around Athi House corridors and outside. You come and deal directly with officers at the counters. We finish with you.